Imithi lilinganiselwa esigidini yokugomela iCovid-19 lekhicitwe yenkampani AstraZeneca ibambisene neUniversity Oxford ifike kuleli viki leliphelile. Kubikwa ukuthi leli ive silele emuva ekuthengeni nasekuthabalaliseni lemijovo yokugomela lolu bhubhane. Linye letati lithi uhulumende wakuleli kumele asise kakhulu ekukhiciteni ngekwakhe lemijovo.
If we were capable of more, we had more manufacturing capacity, whether it be what Aspen is doing, even just the filling and finishing of the vials with the product that's already been made, or whether it's actually producing the antigens or mixing them, which is one step more complicated. The more capacity we can have here, the better security that we have of supply in South Africa.
Kulanza damuva isativelile mayane kusebenzana lokufanele kwalomjovo iAstraZeneca. Letinye tati tithi lelive ngabelende lomkhulu mehluko kube belibeke embili imijovo lekhicitwa khona lapha ekhaya.
If you would have your own development capacities here in the country, that could happen here. Because I mean, South Africa was one of the first countries to detect a new variant of the vaccine, not of the vaccine, of the virus. And so that shows that our researchers, our scientists here in South Africa, they have the capability to detect these changes very quickly. And if we could translate that discovery of the new variants into modification of the existing vaccines, that would give us a great advantage in fighting the disease and keeping it under control.
Emavela ngaphasi kweBRICS lafana neRussia, iChina neIndia anetinkhungo letikhulu tekukhicita imijovo. Letifundiswa tithi kunyenti lokungentiwa nguhulumende wakuleli ekuthuthukiseni tinkhungo tekukhicita imithi.